Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix Payments for selling services online, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Wix Payments for selling services online, start by logging into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your website. From your dashboard, locate the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Accept Payments section. Click on Accept Payments to see the payment options available. Here, you will find Wix Payments listed among the payment methods. Select Wix Payments to begin the setup process. If you have not set it up previously, click on Get Started to initiate the configuration. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in the required fields, including your business name and address. Next, provide your contact email and phone number. Wix may request additional information to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents if required. Once your business information is complete, go to the payment settings. Here, you can enable or disable various payment options. Make sure to select the relevant options for your services. Review the transaction fees associated with Wix Payments. Once satisfied, click on Continue to proceed to payment methods. Decide whether you would like to accept credit and debit cards. You may also opt to enable digital wallets like PayPal or Apple Pay. After selecting your preferred methods, save your changes. Next, configure your currency settings if needed. Choose the currency you want to accept payments in from the drop-down menu. Click Save once you have made your selections. To finalize the setup, preview your services page. Ensure the payment options are correctly displayed on your services. Test the payment process by making a small transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.